Hey guys, welcome to Mansi.design. Today we will see how to make this friends filter using Spark Air. So let's start the tutorial. So first you need to prepare images of whatever question and answer you would like to take. You can create these images in Illustrator, Photoshop or Canva. I have prepared it in Canva. I have taken a 512 by 512 pixel size and take out the PNG images. Now open the Spark AI software and create a blank project. Then go to the scene panel and right click and add object, then select face tracker. Again right click, add object, then select the plane and create the plane one more time. Then select plane and enter and rename it as question and another plane as answer. Then right click and add object, then select the null object, then select question and answer and drag it to the null object. Then select the null object and drag it to the face tracker. This way it will be grouped on the face tracker. Then select the null object and move the box upwards. You can resize it by going here to the scale option. Then select the question and add material. Then select material and enter and rename it as question. Then change the shader type to flat. Do the same with the answer. Then select the question and choose the texture. Choose your question image. Then select your answer and this time you have to click the arrow instead of choosing. Then change it to the animation sequence. Then choose file. Then select all answer photos. Now go to the view and select patch editor. Now drag the camera into the patch editor because we are going to record the video. Now right click and search for pearls. Now you can follow my steps. Till then you can subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button and like the video. Okay, here you have to select the answer and click on the visible arrow and connect it to the switch. This way while recording it, it will switch to answer. Then add knot and pulse. This way the question will be off and the answer will play. Then at last, select the question, then select the visible arrow and connect the question to knot. Now follow the steps. Now here comes the main part. Add loop animation and set the duration to 0.08 second. This way our answer will playing on loop for these seconds. Then create random for randomizing the answer. Then go to animation sequence and click on the current frame arrow and connect it to the random. And both the delay will be of 1 second and 2 seconds. Now test it on device. I have given the link above on how to test it on a device and also how to publish it in social media. The link is in the description box. For this kind of exciting video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bye bye.